Hi second graders, welcome to your very own garden class video. So we've been talking about nature journaling and I'm going to show you a cool way to nature journal. This is called making rubbings. So for your rubbings, you will need paper or your notebook. You will need a pencil or a crayon. A marker will not work very well for this activity. And you will need some flat-ish items. These items will need to be able to go under the paper, so they should be smaller than the paper, and they should be flat enough so that if you are rubbing against them, it won't break through the paper. Here are some examples. I have some leaves. I have a puzzle piece, a quarter, and a shell. Now, rubbings are a really great way to record the shape and texture of different objects. And I'm going to show you how to do this right now. All right, here are our materials. Now, step one is to place your item that you want to take a rubbing of under the paper. You will probably want a flat table or surface to make this rubbing so that you can press down. Step two is to take the side of a pencil or a crayon. You can even unwrap the paper around the crayon so you get more of a side. You do not want to use the tip of your pencil or crayon because that could poke a hole through your paper, and it also will not capture the rubbing as well. So with the side of the pencil, I am going to feel where my leaf is and then start rubbing gently but firmly over my leaf. Ta-da! So after you do your rubbings, I have some questions for you. Question one is, what are the shapes that you see in your rubbings? For example, I see that my quarter is a circle. My second question is, are there any patterns that you notice? For example, I notice that my shell has lots and lots of stripes. Finally, I want you to compare your rubbings. How are they the same and how are they different? I notice that my leaves are the same because they all have these skinny veins coming out. And it's a little bit similar to how the shell has these lines coming out of it. They are different from the puzzle piece and the quarter, which don't have those lines. Now, you can share your rubbings with me and with your classmates in a special second grade Padlet, which I will link next and I will put in the description. I would love to see what objects you decide to make rubbings of and hear your observations. Thanks, second grade scientists.